You're going to the web, you want to download the game, but you don't have money to buy it. So, you resort to taking them for free on a weird website and boom! You got hacked by tons of pop-up ads that showed up out of nowhere, got a spyware that saw all your secret stash of Toho fan arts, and the virus that breached your computer calls you an idiot. That is why we need something to protect us from the net. We've heard of cybersecurity so many times, but what in the world is it? Well, according to TechTarget, cybersecurity acts as a wall, or basically a protection against dangerous viruses such as malware, spyware, cyber threats that have circulated around the internet. Having a strong cybersecurity system can be beneficial to you because it acts as a security against malicious attacks that are designed to access, alter, delete, destroy, or extort an organization's or a user's system and sensitive data, along with disrupting its systems and operations.
Before anything else, let's talk about cybersecurity's number one enemy.
As technology continues to evolve, so does cyber attacks. Malwares have evolved over the time. According to CyberTalk, the more computers were made, the more malwares become common in the late 80s. Then, by the 90s, malwares evolved to be harder to detect, thus antivirus software industry becoming more popular. In the 2000s, there's this I love you worm that has damaged millions of computers. I'm pretty sure you guys know this. Then, these malware, they keep on evolving on how they attack computers, how they hide themselves, so many ways to attack computers. Got ransomware that locks all your files and the user is forced to pay the hackers to get those files back, or else they will just kiss their files goodbye. Then someone even made a joke version of this particular malware called the ransomware back in 2017, which is just like a ransomware, but it forces you or the users to play Toho 12 or Toho Seresen Undefined Fantastic Object on the hardest difficulty, which is lunatic for my Toho fans watching, and also scoring a certain number of points, which seems impossible knowing that Toho is a series of difficult bullet hell games. People are being more and more creative in making malware. Some hide it in legit looking software that they offer for free, like the pirated and cracked version of those said software. They are called Trojan horses. If cyber attack evolves, so does cybersecurity, because it has to keep up with the latest trends in technology to keep protecting any device from dangerous attacks that can greatly affect not just our devices but also us. It must also adapt to counter any threats that can evolve as time and technology passes. As hackers and their strategies to evolve, so too must cybersecurity in order for it to maintain its status as a protector of our data and systems. There are so many ways to protect ourselves from cyber attacks, from using an antivirus that scans your computer for potential malware, also using VPN to hide your IP address, location, and it can encrypt your data when you go online. And there are so many more ways to protect ourselves from different cyber attacks. The benefit of cybersecurity is that it protects us. As I said in the beginning, it protects us from malicious attacks that can disrupt our operations. It greatly helps us keep our personal information safe and secure so that no one has access to it but us and those with authorized permission from us. There are also organizations that aim to have a cybersecurity team that checks and navigates through the internet, making their organization reliable and trustworthy.
Thank you guys for watching this video. By the way, this video is for a final examination in college. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please watch it and share this video to your friends. Also, big shoutouts to my group mate Christopher Flores for helping me research and make the script for this video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mr. Utsuho. and peace.
I want you by my side.